Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna share how you will get paid $2 to $25 by selling your Gmail easily on this secret website, and you can earn more and more from any corner of this world by selling your Gmail easily. So this website is called www. Hey, this is make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online, and if you want to get such types of videos from this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you are new, wanna make money online just like this and keep watching and appreciate my videos, smash the like button and share more and more with your friends. On the other hand, I could really request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube, and if you want to get all types of Bengali related earning videos from this YouTube channel, just subscribe and also click the bell button and share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. Alright, this is playerup.com. This one is playerup.com. You can sell more and more service on this website, or on the other hand you can work as a worker or as a freelancer on this website easily. So if you want to earn more and more, you can work by creating a social media, Facebook account creation, on the other hand the Twitter account creation, or on the other hand different types of services you can sell on this website easily. So today I want to share how you will sell and earn extra cash, $2 to $25 per email on this platform easily. And you are watching lots of categories on this website here. So after coming here you can work first time. If you don't have any previous knowledge or experiences, I could really request to create an account on this platform, on playerup.com. By creating an account you can sell your service easily from any corner of this world. So first time, if you come to this interface, you will get lots of categories. There are lots of categories over here. And if you come to this all other games and marketplaces and just open another tab, and you will get these amazing features, and which you will be able to choose any types of categories from this interface. So how you will, and this is the another interface, and you are watching this one lots of categories according to the letter, and this one is all types of categories. Categories services are available on this interface, and just if you click on this category B, letter B, you will get lots of words on this website here. And thus you can also click on this C, D, E, F altogether. So this one are available lots of B letter related words on this website here. First of all, after coming here you will get this amazing feature, and if you want to get lots of Gmail related categories, just click on this Z. And alright, there are lots of items over here, gear 6, Z2A, and there are lots of categories. You are watching this one. So what should you do after coming here? And if you want to sell your Gmail, you have to click on this Gmail. So search about the Gmail. So this one is a Gmail, and you have to open this another tab, and you will get lots of features about the Gmail buy sell trade, Gmail OZ accounts and Gmail OZ usernames, buy sell trade. You can earn more and more from this website. In this video I want to share another extra bonus tips and tricks at the end of this video. So don't skip any part of this video, and watch this video first to last. So if you open this one, you will get this another feature, and you can get lots of categories on Gmail. So this one is Gmail account are available for separate, and this one is selling and 2 words and 5 to 6 characters, and this price is also $10, right? This one is awesome price, I think. If you can or if you can sell this one, you will be paid $10, and this one also you can buy from here. And first time I shared with you, you can work as a buyer or seller on this platform easily. So if you come to this, scroll down here, $3, $4, $5, and this one $100, and this one is also 13, 5, $10, and unlimited Gmail accounts creations. How you will create unlimited Gmail accounts, I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. If you come to this if you come to my channel, and you will get this three videos on this purpose. First time, this one is create a 100% verified Gmail account without phone number. This one is get paid $3 over and over by creating a Gmail account. On the other hand, yesterday I uploaded a video to create unlimited verified USA Gmail account without any types of phone number. So how you will create USA verified Gmail account, you can watch this video at a glance. So first time, you have to create an account on this website, I mean playerup.com, and you can sell your service on this platform. This one is unlimited Gmail accounts creations, and this is also $10, and this one is also 25 to 280 Gmail accounts for sale, per $5 per Gmail, $5, and 25 Gmails for selling for USA. I mean, wow, this one is the awesome price you can get, or you can pick up from here by selling the 25 Gmails for this platform. So this is the best and easiest way to create more and more Gmail account by watching this video from my YouTube channel, and that's it. And you can sell that 25 Gmails on this platform easily from here. So this one is also $1, $5, $30, and also lots of dollars are available. You can sell the Gmail on this website easily. USA name Gmail for sale, 10 Gmail only $5. So this is the cheap price. You can sell from any corner of this wall like this Gmail for ensuring extra cash. So this is the best and easiest way. Now I like to share another one, and this one is fiverr.com. After coming to this interface, you will get lots of gigs about email selling service. So this guy has also sold his gig more than 1000 plus, and his rating is 5, also $5 starting. If you open this gig, you will get lots of informations about this account, and this one is basic prices, 15 images, background remove. This one is also I'll do so collect a verified email. So this one, if you want to open this one, I will provide verified 6-month-old Google Gmail, and this one is $20, 6 months old 10 verified Gmail account. So mind it, you can sell more and more by using this fiverr.com. If you don't have any Fiverr account, please watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel, how you will create a Gmail, you will create a Fiverr account by providing all the informations, and how you will create eye-catchy gigs like this one is also gig, this one is also gig, this one is also gig. Mind it, if you want to earn more and more from fiverr.com, you have to create a eye-catchy gig for your verified Fiverr account. So and then if you click on this standard 6 months old 20 verified Gmail Google Gmail account email accounts, and he has also he has to pay $40, and then if you want to click on this premium, and this price is $60. So this is the best and easiest way to use this fiverr.com and then playerup.com. And now how you will create your unlimited Gmail account, and from where you will get that USA verified phone number. If you want to get lots of verified phone number, you have to come to this receivesmss.com. receivesmss.com. You will get lots of country basis phone number to verify your Gmail account easily by using this website easily. So if you come to this site, you will get these features, and this is the number, and you can use for verifying your Gmail account. So this is called a phone number. You can use from here. There are four categories to mind before using this website. Refresh the page every couple of minutes to get new messages. New messages will arrive every couple of seconds. Be aware that anyone can see your message for this number. Please do not verify the important information. So if you want to use this number, you can copy from here to use on your platform for creating a new Gmail account. So if you want to use this number, just you have to click on this updated message to you will get these notifications, and you are watching this one before 17 minutes ago. Welcome to Uber. Uber, your app is designed to make your booking experience smooth. Learn more uber.com. So you are watching this one. Last SMS receipt are over here, and you can use this platform easily for creating any types of unlimited USA or other countries Gmail account. So this is the best and easiest way. I mean, this one is temporary phone number to create a new Gmail account for selling on this website, I think playerapp.com. So I could really request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel to create more and more Gmail account easily. And after watching this one and this one, after watching these two videos, you will be able to create unlimited Gmail account for selling on this playerapp.com from any corner of this video. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I cordially request to subscribe if you didn't subscribe before, and if you subscribe this one, thank you so much from the core of my heart. And I also cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube, and share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.